Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to leave a team in Farm Heroes Saga game. If you're trying to join a new team or just play solo, you can easily leave a team in Farm Heroes Saga, so make sure you follow these tutorials step by step. First of all, launch the Farm Heroes Saga game on your device and make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you're inside this home screen, go ahead and select the team icon at the bottom that you've joined in with, and from the team menu, click on the eye icon at the top left corner to open up the team info section. Now, in order to leave a team, go ahead and find the red leave button at the bottom, tap on it, and then confirm that you want to leave this particular team by clicking yes. Remember that once you leave a team, you cannot rejoin this same team for the next 48 hours, even if you change your mind. Click on yes to confirm, and there you have successfully left a team that you previously joined in Farm Heroes Saga. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.